The health benefits of lentils. Why you should include them in your diet. Hey there, health enthusiast! If you're looking for a delicious and nutritious way to boost your well-being, look no further than lentils. These little powerhouses are not only affordable and versatile, but also packed with an array of health benefits that can do wonders for your body. Whether you're a seasoned lentil lover or someone curious about incorporating them into your diet, this article will reveal why these legumes deserve a prime spot on your plate. Nutrient-rich goodness. Lentils may be small in size, but they pack a hefty punch when it comes to nutrients. Loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber, they offer a one-stop shop for promoting optimal health. From folate and iron to magnesium and potassium, lentils provide a balanced array of nutrients that support various bodily functions. Heart Health Champion. Your heart will thank you for embracing lentils in your diet. These legumes are a fantastic source of soluble fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. By maintaining healthy cholesterol levels, you're paving the way for a stronger and more resilient cardiovascular system. Blood sugar management. If you're keeping an eye on your blood sugar levels, lentils are a great addition to your meals. Their low glycemic index and high fiber content contribute to stable blood sugar levels, preventing rapid spikes and crashes. This steady energy release can help you stay energized and focused throughout the day. Plant-based protein powerhouse. Calling all vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to cut back on meat. Lentils are your new best friend. These legumes are brimming with plant-based protein, making them an excellent alternative to animal sources. Incorporating lentils into your diet can aid in muscle repair, support weight management, and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Digestive Harmony. Good digestion is the cornerstone of overall well-being, and lentils are here to support your digestive system. With their high fiber content, lentils promote regular bowel movements and help prevent constipation. They also foster a healthy gut environment by nourishing beneficial gut bacteria, contributing to improved digestion and a happy tummy. Nutritional Versatility. One of the best things about lentils is their incredible versatility in the kitchen. Whether you're craving a hearty soup, a satisfying salad, or a savory curry, lentils can fit seamlessly into a wide range of dishes. Their ability to absorb flavors makes them a perfect canvas for culinary creativity, allowing you to explore various cuisines and cooking methods. Weight management ally. Maintaining a healthy weight involves making smart food choices, and lentils can play a pivotal role in your weight management journey. Their combination of protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates keeps you feeling fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. As you savor your lentil-based meals, you're fostering a balanced approach to nourishment. Easy incorporation. Introducing lentils into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. Whether you're a cooking novice or a seasoned chef, preparing lentils is a breeze. From quick-cooking red lentils to the heartier green and brown varieties, there's a type of lentil for every occasion. With countless recipes available online, you'll have no trouble finding inspiration for adding these legumes to your meals. Incorporating lentils into your diet is a delicious and smart way to support your health and well-being. So go ahead, explore the world of lentils and discover the array of culinary delights that await you. Your body will thank you, and your taste buds will be in for a treat.